Take the example of exercise 4.5 question number 4. A parallelogram OK where OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and K is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Is it unique? We have to show that the parallelogram OK is it unique or not. Okay, so now in this example, parallelogram OK we have to construct. Okay, and OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and K is equal to 4.2 centimeter is given to us. Okay, so first draw the rough figure of this parallelogram. Draw the rough figure. So this is our parallelogram. Okay, O K A Y. Okay, so this is our parallelogram. Okay, here OK is equal to 5.5 centimeter and K is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, now recall the properties of parallelogram. Okay, we know very well in parallelogram opposite sides are of equal measure, means we can say that OK is equal to YA is equal to 5.5 centimeter. Similarly, KA is equal to OY is equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay, so this is all about sides, but angles are not given to us. Okay, so how can we draw the parallelogram? Okay, so first by taking this measure, draw line OK of measure 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so draw the line OK of measure 5.5 centimeter. OK is of measure 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so here we have drawn the line OK of measure 5.5 centimeter. Now we have to construct this KA line and also this OY line. Okay, so for these lines we have to first draw the ray. We have to first draw the ray from this point O and from this point K. So how can we draw? Okay, so take your compass. Okay, take your compass and in this compass take the approximate distance. Okay, approximate distance, do not take distance by using ruler. Okay, take the approximate distance. Now put the pointer on K point, and draw an arc. Or we can say that draw the half circle. Okay, draw the half circle by using this compass. Draw the half circle by putting this pointer of compass on K point. Again do not change the distance and put this pointer of compass on O point and similarly draw the half circle by putting pointer on O. Okay, after drawing all these half circle, take the distance. Again take the distance. Okay, approximate distance. Again take the approximate distance. Okay, take the approximate distance and put the pointer on this point. Okay, where this half circles point and this OK line are intersect to each other. Okay, on this point we have to put the pointer on this point. Okay, and again we have to draw the arc on this point. Okay, draw this arc. Okay, and again do not change the distance. Okay, do not change the distance. Take the distance and extend this O point further. Okay, extend this O point in this direction. Okay, extend this O point. Okay, after extending the point, put the pointer, do not change the distance. Okay, maintain the distance. Okay, maintain the distance, then put the pointer on this point. Okay, the line which we are already extending on this side. Okay, put the pointer on this side where this half circles point and this line. Okay, again intersecting on the point. Okay, put the pointer on that point and again draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. So do not draw the ray from point O and from point K approximately. Okay, follow this procedure. Okay, now see. Okay, we get this point and this point here. Okay, now we have to draw a ray from point O. Okay, from point O which passes through. Okay, we have to draw a ray which passes through this point and the point where these arcs are intersecting. Okay, means from O point and from this point the ray, draw the ray which are passing through this O point and this point. Okay, and similarly in this side again we have to do the same procedure. Draw a ray which passes through K point and this point. Okay, so draw a ray. Okay, so this is all about our rays. Okay, so how can you draw the ray? Then follow this process. Okay, now we know very well if we have to if we have to obtain this A point, then we have to take the distance of 4.2 centimeter, okay, with the help of this compass, and put the pointer on K point and draw an arc on the ray. Okay, so take the distance of 4.2 centimeter. Okay, this is our distance of, after 4 take two lines, so this is our distance of 4.2 centimeter. Okay, this is our distance of 4.2 centimeter. Take the distance with the help of this compass. Okay, with the help of this compass, take the distance of 4.2 centimeter. Now put the pointer of compass on K point and draw an arc. Okay, draw an arc. We get KA because this distance is 4.2 centimeter and 4 point distance is of our given KA line. So this point, we get this point as A point, and draw the distance 4.2 centimeter. Okay, again do not change the distance. Okay, take the pointer on O point because we have to we have to obtain this O point. So Y point, sorry, okay, we have to obtain this Y point. So do not change the distance, maintain the distance and put the pointer on O point and again draw an arc. Okay, again draw an arc. So we get this distance as, 4.2 centimeter distance. Okay, and the point we get it as a Y point. Okay, now obviously this distance is of measure 5.5 centimeters. So join this YA and YA, we get it as a 5.5 centimeter. Okay, and in this way we get the parallelogram. Okay, and in this way we have completed our chapter number 4. Okay, try to solve the other examples which are given in your homework at home. Thank you.